Today in this video I'm gonna show you how to download and install Windows 11 26H1 on your computer. Though Windows 11 26H1 was released for the PCs released in 2026 or ARM processors, still you can download and install it to your computer. Let's get started. Before we jump into today's video, let me ask you something. Have you ever tried installing Windows and suddenly realized your C drive is almost full? Or maybe Windows keeps getting slower, but you have no idea what's actually taking up all your storage. That happens to a lot of people, especially on older PCs. Recently, I've been using a VM Master Cleanup, and it has made cleaning up Windows much easier. So let's take a look. First of all, you just download it from the given link in the description and then install it to your computer. You don't need to pay anything else. One feature I really like is you can clean your desktop to clean the junk files. Just click on scan and your computer will scan the junk files and delete automatically. You can uninstall apps directly from here. Just click on install apps. You don't need to go to settings and control panel. Click on scan now and just select whichever you want to install. Just click on install and done. You can also move big files from one drive to another. Just click on move big file. Click on scan. You can move the folder directly or just select the file to move them. Just select and just click on move. If you're trying to keep your PC running smoothly, especially before upgrading or installing a new version of Windows, VM Master Cleanup is definitely worth checking out. It's currently available for free for a limited time. So if you want to try it yourself, you will find the download link in the description. Now let's get into today's video. So now, first of all, you just open your favorite browser and now search for download Windows Insiders. And here is the link, download Windows Insider Preview ISO. Open it. Now here, click on me. You just need to log in with your Microsoft account. Now here scroll, click on the drop down. Now here just select 26H1. Click it and it's done. Click on confirm. Now choose your language. Click on confirm. Now here is the link. You just click in here and download will be started. Now you search for Rufus and here is the link. Just open the official website, scroll and just download the latest one by clicking here. When download is completed, close your browser. Now you just go to download folder and here you'll find two files, Rufus and ISO file. Double tap on Rufus, click on yes. Again click on yes. Now here click on select, go to download and here is the ISO file. Select it, click on open. Click on yes. Now you just insert a pen drive to your computer, minimum 8 GB in size. Click on the drop down and select it. Now do nothing here, click on start. Before continuing, make sure that every data on your pen drive is backed up because in this process it will lose everything. Now if you're using unsupported processor and you need to bypass 4 gigs of RAM, secure boot and TPM 2.0, then check it. If you don't need online account verification, you just take it too. Now here is my private one. Create a local account with username. Check it and put a username. Also check this one. I also choose disable data collection. Now just click on OK and click on OK. The bootable USB making process gonna take 10 to 15 minutes. You gotta wait here. Now when it's done, it will show ready. You just click on close. Now make sure that every data on your PC is backed up because we're gonna clean install Windows 11 26H1 to this computer. Now you just press and hold the shift key and restart your computer. Here we're gonna install Windows 11 26H1 as a clean install. Before proceeding, make sure that every data on your PC is backed up. All data will be erased completely. Now here you just select use a device. Here just select your USB pen drive. Press any key to continue. Click next. Click next. Select I agree. Click next. I don't have a product key. Select the Windows version. Click next. Select I accept. If you want to go with dual boot, just select your drive and click on next. Installation will be started. Since I want a clean install, I'm just deleting all the partitions. Now just click next and here it's showing installing Windows 11 Pro, keep nothing. Click on install. The installation process has been started. It may take 10 to 15 minutes. During the installation, your PC may restart several times. Don't worry, after every restart, computer will automatically keep the installation running. Now just simply set up your computer and you are good to go. Thanks for watching.